Hi, my name is AC Meeks, and this is a introduction to an individual PowerPoint presentation that was done at that was done in a business analytics class through Baker College. So the first thing we will do is go to the setup page. This is the first thing that you will see when you go into the 1,000 Minds. It's the setup page, and these things across the top is each setup that we will go through to get our restaurant base. So the module name is was choosing a restaurant, and we selected the selection considering other factors too for choosing our restaurant. The next tab was the team. So this included all the group members that were involved in this project and the decision-making process. So each one of us went through this same module of everything that I'm showing you, and we put in our criteria, and it came up with what would best fit for the restaurant that we would want for our customers and their needs. So the third tab is the criteria tab. This tab is the most important to me because, it is the most important because this is what is going to give us our base of what we want and need in a restaurant. The criteria comes with things like price, distance, and type of food, reviews, average wait times, if reservations were available, and live music and how clean the restaurant is. But those, to me, those are basically most of the most important things that customers look at when they go to a restaurant, especially things like the price and the wait times and things of that nature. So the other factors tabs is actually something that we added as that we thought that would be important as well. And it was two things that we added, and that was the healthy option and the customer service, which I think customer service is very important. And healthy too. Most people are trying to eat more healthier and live healthy lifestyles. So that's an important thing to consider to have when developing a restaurant, so it can fit the needs of the customers. So after we put in everything from for the criteria, these are the restaurants that came up. So it gave us these alternatives of restaurants that would best fit what we were looking at based in the criteria, based on our criteria that we put in. The next tab is the decision. So the decision tab asks us what do we prefer. The distance, which will be a little closer, but the reviews is down, so the stars are not as good, or a little bit longer distance with better reviews. So the preference value is based off the criteria. After we put in everything from the criteria, the preference gives us these bar graphs and percentage of what is relevant to what we put in, which I will show you these, those that will be coming up next. So here go the bar graphs, and these based off of our criteria, as you can see, the type of food, distance, and average wait times. And the percentage, and all this, the scores based on the criteria that we put in. In the next tab, which the last tab is the selection tab, but you can't see it up here, but right here, the selection tab. That selection tab, after everything, it breaks down all the restaurants that best served us and which one ranked the most. Which, as you can see, Texas Roadhouse ranked first based on the criteria that we put in, and that is the one that we selected. As it is highlighted. Based on everything that we put in, it's actually 91.2%. And then Morton came in second at 69.4%. So that's a big difference. Texas Roadhouse definitely fit the criteria that we thought was best for our customer base and what we thought would be best for the customers. So this is a Thousand Minds project, and this is my completion of the Thousand Minds project. I hope that this video and screencast was informational and probably can help someone in the future. And hopefully you enjoyed our PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for listening and have a great day.